Welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn about our next HTML tag, the paragraph tag. Now, the paragraph tag is a block level element, and it has an opening and a closing tag. Now, the paragraph tag has additional inline tags, but important note, these are no longer industry standards since we could style this with CSS, and I will show you this further along in the course. So let's say we want to make our text bold. We would use the bold tag. It has an opening and closing tag, or the strong tag, which also has opening and closing tags. Now if we want to make our text italic, then we would use the I tag or the emphasize tag. Now let's open our HTML document once again. Right click, open with text editor, and also open it in the browser. Let's make this just a bit bigger. There we go. So right underneath our paragraph, our less paragraph tag, we'll write a new paragraph. So let's say and inside our paragraph tag, we will put in some dummy text. Now for years and years, there has been a dummy text called Lorem Ipsum. If you go to loremipsum.com or lipsum.com, you'll find this dummy text. This is actually used since the 1500s. And this is used so there's no copyright problems. Let's just copy this, Ctrl C, paste it in here, hit save, go back to our page, refresh. Here is our dummy text. And I will actually just enter this right here, this, and this. Okay, let's play around a bit with our text and use those. Ooh, this is still too long. Wait just a sec. And it's still too long. Let's see. And this one's more. So we can see our opening and closing tags. Now let's say I want to make dolor bold. You can just say putting P and closing B. Hit save. It's this one right here. Let's refresh, and it's bold. Let's try it with strong. We'll use for this text right here, we'll say strong. Let's just copy this, put it right here, and close it. Hit refresh. This one is now strong. Now I want to make sit and elite, italic. So I go into our text editor, and I set I, and then close it here, and emphasize. Let's see what happens. Perfect. So these two are both italic. Now, as I said, this is no longer industry standards. And these are actually, as I said at the beginning of the course, tags that are no longer used, because later on we'll style all of this with CSS. Okay, that's it for this lecture. See you in the next one.